Delicious.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing, Nicholas? What are you doing? I love you, Nicholas. Cortez. You want salad too,
She
Nicholas?
probably wants a nut.
Let me give you nut. You want some more? Nuts? Hey, hey. She takes to the rock. Mika, I should not eat on there. It's okay. Eat üstü. Eat Nicholas.
She
Goodness.
wants to maybe look out. And look
Oh,
around.
you want out?
Hi, you ready to go, Mikushka?
Come.
Say goodbye, everybody. We're
Bye,
going
Mika.
on a ride.
Bye, Nicholas.
We're going on a ride together.
Bye bye, Mika. Bye bye. Have fun.
We're going on our ride.
It's nice. You did a good job, Moises. This is our blueberry under our sun. It's so beautiful. I'm not sure if you can see this in the camera. It's so perfectly done, right? Where's the spider? This is our creek.
There's a spring that flows outside of a little cave down there.
This is our woods, our neighborhood woods. We like rain. It's so melancholic.
This one, growing out of here, it's like a little succulent cactus.
It's natural. It's so nice, right? Nature spreads its roots.
Seeing this, when it was somebody's land a long time ago, they used to drive their car or truck.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
like this.
Until they're sold.
See, I cut this stuff. I dragged this stuff over here when we were clearing these branches. I need to trim all this stuff out right here.
Yeah.
That's the next time, is trimming all this except for the oaks. and trimming this.
We did shortcut this way.
Yeah. See, some bug already attacked that one.
Yeah.
You can pull it off. See, they got the nectarines growing too.
Yeah. Nectarine. Nectarine. Serve American breakfast sausages. How is it?
Smells good.
Yeah, it's good. Should have put more. And when the rain stops, we need to fix this umbrella. Are you want to come outside? You want to come outside? Hey, Chris, come. Hey, you got food? You're cold? Okay, I'm just there. My beautiful cactuses. How is it?
Open up.
Hey, Nicholas. She wants to come, but she's cold. So you are putting the dirt on blueberries.
One bag there, but we probably need about 4 more bags after. So you want it here?
Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. They smell so good. Hi, my love. Your food is ready, Will.
Oh, it's ready?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Pancake.
I don't know if we're going to be able to plant all of them
Why not?
first.
Why not?
Not enough soil.
This is basil, right?